Welcome to our quick guide on how to add colleagues to the FixMyMeetingCulture platform who are interested in gathering feedback from their meetings. After logging in, you'll arrive at the dashboard. Here, you'll find several informative cards. The first card shows the number of colleagues currently set up to use the platform within your organization. Only meeting initiators need accounts to create surveys and gather feedback. Participants can fill out surveys without an account, so there's no need to set up accounts for everyone in your organization. To invite colleagues, click on the link of this card to navigate to the next screen. To invite additional colleagues, enter their first name, last name, and email address. Confirm their details and click the Invite button. Once your colleagues are added, you can view an overview of all users within your organization with a FixMyMeetingCulture account. This section also includes insights such as the total number of surveys initiated by each user and the reports generated from these surveys. This setup promotes a culture where colleagues can easily access insights from activities and are encouraged to create surveys to obtain valuable feedback from meeting participants. This fosters transparency and enhances the collaborative environment. Adding colleagues who will actively engage with the FixMyMeetingCulture platform is seamless and directly contributes to enhancing your organizational culture through robust feedback mechanisms. Thank you for joining us, and don't hesitate to invite your colleagues today to help transform your meetings with insightful feedback.